Hello, my name is Francesca Busso and I'm working as a Culinary Manager at Miele Experience Center in Dubai. Today I'm showing you how to make eggplant anchovies bruschetta, and I choose this recipe because Miele and SieMatic are really take care about sustainability, and this is a right example how to be sustainable in the kitchen. First of all, prepare all the eggplant, some salt, extra virgin olive oil. And now we roast in the oven at 220 degrees fan plus mode for about 30 minutes. Okay, now my eggplant are ready, and now I'm preparing the bruschetta. Mix together anchovies, vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, pepper and garlic. And now let's dress our eggplant, this nice sauce, adding some fresh herbs and mix together. Our bruschetta are ready to be served. Final touch, some fresh herbs on top. Our appetizer is ready.